Hi everyone. In this video we are going to do one mini project in Python. That means how to convert that sample data of CSV data into JSON file. So here we got one CSV file, that is the sample.csv. So this data was going to be written as JSON file according to the given format. So observe here, it contains multiple columns, that is longitude, latitude, house, median, age, total rooms, total bedrooms, population, like this. We have different columns are there. So and we're having total 10 rows are there. So make it as 0 index, and this is 1 index, and this is second index, third index, fourth index, like this up to 9th index. We want to return this data in this format of JSON file. So if they having 0 index having data means 0th row having this data, and first row having this data, and second row. So like this we need to arrange into JSON file. How can we arrange that CSV file into JSON file in this format? This is the today our mini project. So now first of all, place this CSV file in the same folder. Now open Python file. For this conversion we need pandas library. So first of all import pandas library as pd. Now read this CSV file as data frame. So data frame equal to pd dot read CSV. So by applying this method we can read the CSV file. So that is the file name is sample CSV. Now print this. Now this is the data given. Now we want to return this data into JSON file. So longitude, latitude, housing median age, total rooms, total bedrooms, and we have population, households, median income, and median house value. So these are the different columns are there, having total 9 indices are there. So in 0th indices we have, so we have in 0th indices we have longitude this value, and latitude this value, and house median age this value, and total rooms this value. So like this we have different values are there. So all will be into one dictionary, means as first value in JSON file. So like this. Now we need to return like this. So this is the 0th row. Now how can you convert it? So we have a method is there, that is to JSON file print. So this data frame I am going to turn into JSON file, df to JSON, but here the orientation is indexes. So take the orient method, that is orient equal to index indent equal to 4. Now run the code, we'll get the JSON file directly. So this is the data frame printed. Now by scrolling down we'll get the JSON format. So in 0 index we have the first row, all the values, that is longitude, latitude, house, median age, total rooms, total bedrooms, population, and households, median income, median house values. So in second row, that is first index having all the data. So this is the process of getting the JSON file in required format in Python. This is the process. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.